we're starting this.
We up in here. I gotta learn how to play again.
That's just a jump. Try to save all the children and the robotic Mr. Fidgewidget.
I don't know why I did it quickly like that.
I would go ahead and clear out the entire area as fast as possible. I really have to deal with all these douchey squirrels, but they will kill. Yes. And also a way to get a gold. As long as Fidgewidget stays alive. Yeah. Yeah. You just killed a kid.
That's not my fault.
You killed both of them. Well, that's the end of that.
We're right near the end!
Yeah, it wasn't that long. Too bad.
Stupid lava gun.
You also want to blow up all these rocket ship statues, but not yet. Wait till Fidgewidget is gonna open up one of these doors here. Go through it. You have to follow him. You have to square.
So I gotta blow them up and then follow him?
Don't blow. No, don't blow those up yet. Just follow Fidgewidget when he goes wherever he goes. Boom.
I lost the damn platinum bolt. I can always retry it.
Yeah, and blowing up all those rockets will get you a skill point as well.
How do I blow them up?
Shoot them. Preferably with weapons that do damage. Yeah, very strong. There you go.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, they take up a lot of ammo.
This is not worth it.
You don't want the skill point?
Skill point for what?
We're blowing up everything. We're blowing up the rockets. Man, use your mini rocket thing. Keep shooting that.
Look how many bolts I have.
Holy snap. Whoa, there's more! The kids came back. You can save them this time.
Does it count?
I don't know. Probably.
Rockets, I'll be there in a second. I don't see no creatures from the south. Come on, guys. So, where's the
I
platinum?
didn't know they came back like that.
Platinum bullet.
You already got it.
So why am I doing this again?
Oh, for the skill point. They all have to leave alive. Yeah, you know what? It doesn't count. Because there are no enemies. So screw it.
I just wasted 5 minutes of my life.
Yeah. Your phone, you just can't hold it straight up. It's gotta be an angle. Oh, that's why, because you had another raccoon squirrel here. That's probably why you failed. Wait, don't follow him now, you have to blow the button. You did it.
Gotta go buy ammo.
Yeah, you definitely did.
I just wasted like 20 grand. The hover bomb.
All that glitters is not gold.
I'll buy the most expensive gun soon.
You're gonna wait for the plasma?
Yeah.
Alright. Then get the bouncer though, because it's such a good weapon. Oh wait, I pre-ordered Ratchet, so I think I get the bouncer free or something. Right? Is that how it works? I'm gonna Google it right now.
I can actually get the bouncer right now. Oh, we got a skill point.
Oh yeah, everybody's doing it.
Ooh. Cheap, man.
Yep. Bonus weapon for pre-ordering. You can activate it on the vendor right after the beginning of the game. So I have the bouncer that early into the game. Oh my god.
When's the game come out? April 15th?
Nope. Next Tuesday.
So, the 13th.
The 12th.
Right before my phone bill. Oh, I'm beating that game in the same day. Ooh, try me. Like the bouncer, I can get it right now. Or save up for the plasma coil. Or
Good too.
save up for the hover bomb.
Oh, good with the hover bomb. What's that now?
Sir, you are not supposed to be here, sir. You're supposed to go over here, sir. Yeah, new PS leave remote. There's a lot of turns and moves.
No, it requires you to use your brain a little bit, even.
Sir, you die, please.
Whoa, they are strong too. They're doing some damage. Oh yeah, those as well.
What?
Give me a shoot.
You know what? I remember one of us playing, and we all avoided this whole entire mess by sniping.
Wow, I can't believe it spared you. It let you keep that.
Game makes me all my health back. Oh, that happened.
Oh, he trying to be.
Sure.
He trying to be pretty.
Okay.
He trying to be parody.
Okay, now when you let me I'm even holding it straight up in this acting.
Whoa, what is that? What could that be? Oh, I hate this. This is the worst one.
Ah! Ah! Okay, this controller is about to go in the ditch.
Yo, always blaming other things. You're the one who keeps going the wrong way.
Okay, shut up,
You're the-
Fussy.
Okay.
Okay. It's time to get the padded down.
Oh, are you?
Ah!
I love it. I love
Okay.
it.
Boom, 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 boom.
No!
Boom, 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 boom. Nope. Boom. Okay. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, boom.
Let me try it. Let me see if I can do it.
You gonna do it on your first try because you just watching it fail like 4 times.
Oh, I just about had it.
This game's gonna be the death of me.
Ooh.
That's bullshit. Doesn't even do.
That.
Bobo?
Possibly. No, even better. If only I could run.
Watch out. Activate.
That was good.
Die by my lava. It's been so pointless.
Wow, you annihilated him. Alright. You know what? On the next part, we're gonna figure out the controller situation. And then we'll be right back.